dakika olmuş. 40 dakika falan lazım. Bir bakarım sonraki.
Biz bu şeyi yükseltiriz, Cthulhu'yla da burada yapacağız.
Evet. Holly mi? Çok şüpheli bir şey buldum.
Zenitlendik tabi. Zenit'e onu kesmeni yapamıyoruz ama.
Yapabiliyorsun tabi. Yaparsın artık.
Nasıl?
Yapılmıyor, şaka yapıyorum.
2 tane kılıcı zaten ondan almıyoruz.
Evet. Yap 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 yap. Yap yap yap. Yap yap yap. Yap yap yap. Yap 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 yap.
My potion.
Where are my balls? Oh, where are my balls? Are you serious? We get a blood moon. We are not fighting the Cthulhu during blood moon. What the hell? Bloodthirsty rabbit, hell no. Anyways, yeah, we're just going to skip this blood moon. It's nothing. Just enter the house and block off the doors. How do you push out the door?
We have to fight.
No, just come inside, please.
Isn't there a mob we can go through the walls?
No, that's only hard mode.
I want to fight.
Yeah, guys, we're just going to skip this blood moon. Yep. We need to skip all that stuff, so... Yes, sir. Yo, what the hell? We had a blood moon and now slime is falling. What the hell, bro?
The worst weather ever. Wow,
Average weather in Ohio. Come to the arena. We should fight them in the arena.
how many slimes we should kill to spawn slime?
I don't know, like 100 or something.
I don't know.
Come up to the arena that we built. Yep, we made.
Why?
It's easier to kill them in here.
Okay. I know. Just die, slime. Just die.
Silly
I'm the
slime.
coolest person I have ever known. Look at me.
Speedwagon.
Get up. Get up. I don't want to spawn there in the circle. Kill them. Kill them.
Double trouble.
Let's go.
50 green ball. Let me slime.
Why is this game so
Jun,
racist?
Jun.
Why is this game so racist?
I know, right? You have no ball. You have no ball.
Kill. Just kill.
Trolling. Trouble begin.
I have plenty. What's it called?
There's like one frame where I can get hit by slimes. And they can never land that hit.
I want a ninja gear.
Never mind. We need to start trolling these balls. These are little balls. You
Let's
slime.
count how many presents we have.
6 to 8.
Of the slime ring.
Imagine 6 to 8. What's in the demolitionist? Yeah, nice.
Demolition? Demolition is what's that?
You buy bombs.
The miner one.
Average weather in Ohio.
The most useful NPC in the world. After the
Weather report. Balls. The game is speed is up to get to the what is his name? King slime. Yes, sir.
If you get.
Yeah, if you get.
I wish we could get the slime balls.
You might. Oh, that was a little bit. Maybe the only thing is slime for. Are you not like slime for?
Slime balls.
Gel. Why are some slimes stronger than the others? It's reason. It's so cool hitting the slimes with your air and they just get sent the wrong direction and fall. Die to their demise.
Let's go. Let's
Edit
kill
that
the slime balls.
Yes, sir.
What? Where is it? What? What's happening?
He teleported to me.
Okay.
Oh god. Oh no.
If I
No, use your arrow. Use your guns.
it's much more stronger than I thought.
Oh god.
You should survive till I arrive.
How long? 20 seconds?
Yep. 10 seconds more. Just survive.
You silly little
Yes,
slimes.
sir.
Come here, boy. Oh no.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Why is bro jumping like
I'm
that?
here.
I'm glad.
Bruh.
He jumped towards
Kamikaze.
you.
Bruh.
Don't die, run! Oh no.
There's too many slimes, bruh. I'm just too noob.
Get up instantly.
Don't die, please don't die. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go again.
Oh
Bruh.
god.
Let's go again.
I am out of arrows. I'm not wasting my jester arrows. I'm keeping them for quick. Get him. I did my part. He's all the way at the bottom. Get up. What are you doing?
I'm trying. Bruh, I died again.
Alright. Time to carry. Okay.
Bruh, you
Bro,
just
give
tell-
me. Just give me flame arrows. I'll kill him.
Okay.
No, 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 no.
don't die,
No, no,
don't
no,
die,
no, no,
don't
no,
die.
no, no, no.
AIDS.
No. Thank you for being so good at the game.
You're welcome.
Wait, the slime rain isn't over. We can spawn him again, I think.
Okay.
If only I had more
I'm gonna.
arrows.
Yes.
I'm crafting 3
just
billion
kidding.
arrows. And I don't have enough stones. Nice, give me stone now. Pinky. Bro, combo pinky. Slime stuff. No way. Slime stuff. No way.
What's that?
It's the most rarest drop from slimes. Look at it. I have a pet slime now, which attacks.
Really?
Yeah. It is so rare. I don't know how I got it. It's like 1 in 2k. They're all you. That's mine. Bruh. Yeah, slime stopped falling from the sky. Yo. Dude.
Bruh, can we just kill this little boy?
No. Alright, we gotta wait till it's night.
Okay.
Waiting till it's night, speed on 8%. Let's go. Alright, guys. It is now night and we're going to summon him. Let's go.
I summoned.
He's over down there.
Bruh.
He's targeting you. Don't die this time, please. Drink all of your potions now. I said drink all of your potions, not eat a mushroom.
I drank.
Okay, good.
I think this is easier. Because
It's in phase 1, you
Yeah.
bozo.
I'm about to tell you. It's chasing you, bruh. Let's go.
Oh no.
We have some machine guns.
Die. Die. Die.
Easy.
Let's
easy
go.
Peasy. Japanese. Should I found another one?
No.
Yes, I
Mm.
should. Let's go. Where is the other one?
I have no idea. Anyways guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment something you liked about the video. I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.